Welcome to Financial Decode, your channel for smart investing, wealth building, and financial freedom. If you think you need thousands of dollars to start investing, think again. Many beginners believe investing is only for rich people. That belief keeps them stuck for years. The truth is simple. In the United States, you can start investing with just $100. Wealth is not built by starting big. It is built by starting early and staying consistent. Even a small amount of money can grow into something powerful over time if you give it enough time in the market. Let's understand the basic idea of investing. Investing means putting your money into assets that can grow in value over time. Instead of letting your money sit in a savings account earning almost nothing, you allow it to grow through businesses and the stock market. When you buy a stock, you are buying ownership in a company. When that company grows, your investment grows. Over long periods, the U.S. stock market has historically returned around 8 to 10% per year. That is how ordinary people slowly build wealth. So what can you actually do with $100? Step 1 is opening a brokerage account. In the U.S., many platforms allow you to start with zero minimum deposit. You can invest small amounts using fractional shares. That means even if a stock costs hundreds of dollars, you can buy just a small portion of it. This makes investing accessible to everyone. You do not need to wait until you have thousands saved. Starting small is better than not starting at all. For beginners, instead of picking random stocks, consider investing in an index fund or ETF. An S&P 500 index fund allows you to invest in 500 of the largest companies in America at once. This spreads your risk and makes your investment more stable over time. Diversification is important because it protects you from the risk of one company failing. Long-term investing is about patience, not quick profits. Simple strategies often work best. Now let's talk about something powerful called the Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is a retirement account available in the United States. The special benefit is that your money grows tax-free. You contribute money after paying taxes today. But when you withdraw it in retirement, you do not pay taxes on the growth. This can save you thousands of dollars over decades. Even if you start with just $100, you can begin building a tax-free future. Many beginners make the mistake of trying to time the market. They wait for the perfect moment to invest. But the market is unpredictable in the short term. Instead of waiting, focus on long-term consistency. Time in the market is more important than timing the market. Even during market drops, disciplined investors continue investing. Over decades, the market has historically moved upward despite short-term crashes. If you want a simple plan, here it is. Open a brokerage account or Roth IRA. Invest in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. Set up automatic monthly contributions. Ignore daily market news. Think long-term. Increase your investment amount as your income grows. Wealth building is a slow and steady process. It rewards patience, discipline, and consistency more than intelligence. Remember, investing is not gambling. Gambling depends on luck. Investing depends on ownership and long-term growth. When you invest in strong companies, you participate in the growth of the economy. Over time, innovation, productivity, and expansion help businesses grow. As a shareholder, you benefit from that growth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to multiply. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to build real financial freedom, start today. $100 is enough to begin. Do not underestimate small beginnings. Big wealth often starts small. This is Financial Decode, helping you decode money like the wealthy do. Subscribe and begin your investing journey the smart way. Your future self will thank you.